In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a wallet on UniSwap. We'll walk through connecting a browser wallet, viewing your account, and grabbing the correct receive address so you can fund your wallet safely. Start by opening the official UniSwap app in your browser. Make sure you're on the correct site and that the connection is secure. The padlock in the address bar should be present. UniSwap is a decentralized exchange, so everything happens from your own wallet. There are no usernames or passwords here. At the top of the page, choose MetaMask as your wallet. This assumes you already have the MetaMask extension installed and unlocked in your browser. When the MetaMask window pops up, select the account you want to use and approve the connection. If you're prompted to allow permissions like viewing your addresses and account balance, that's normal for a connection request. After that, confirm you're truly connected. You should see your wallet address or avatar reflected in the app, and the network shown in MetaMask should match where you plan to transact, like Ethereum mainnet or another supported network. If the app suggests switching networks, review the details, then approve if it matches your intent. Next, open the profile icon in the top right. This is your account hub inside Uniswap and gives quick access to actions related to your connected wallet. From there, select Buy Crypto. This routes you to Uniswap's buying options, which usually integrate with third-party providers. Fees and availability can vary by region, and some providers may ask for identification, so compare quotes and make sure the payment method and limits fit your needs. If you already hold crypto elsewhere and want to fund this wallet directly, choose Receive Crypto. This will display the address for your connected wallet on the selected network. Double check that the network shown here matches the network you'll be sending from to avoid lost funds. When you're ready, either copy the address or scan the QR code with the sending wallet. Always verify the first and last few characters of the address after pasting. For extra safety, consider sending a small test amount first, then the remainder once it arrives. Never share your secret recovery phrase. You only need the public address to receive funds. That's it. Connect MetaMask, access your profile, and use Buy or Receive to fund your wallet on Uniswap with confidence.